I'm your boy Trey Watts, and welcome to Clones TV. Let's unbox the Clogposite Black and Metallic Gold. Let's go. I wish I would have had the high top version of these, but Sneakers app didn't show your boy no love. So here we go. I hope I like them. Oh, damn. These are hard, y'all. These are hard. Oh man, look. I wish I had the high top version. On StockX, the high top version, it was going for, I believe, over $300, man. These right here hard, man. They hard. Let me get the other one. That's it, y'all. That's it. These right here, I have to say, probably my favorite colorway. Yeah, out of all of them. As of today, they finally sold out on Sneakers app. Finally. Now, your boy paid $140 for them, plus tax, it was $151.55. And I gotta tell y'all, man, again, I love the colorway, man. These go hard, man. It's like when the light hit them, it kind of changed colors a little bit, man. I love it. I love it. Let me show y'all the other colorways I have. These right here. The colorway on these are okay. I might keep them. $140. I might keep them. We'll see. Also, I have the black ones. Now I have two pair of these. I don't know what I'm doing with two pair. I just need one, but I have two pair. You gotta have your black ones. And I have the silver ones, y'all. Now, when I first rocked these, I went to a skating ring. It was a birthday party. And people was like, man, where'd you get these from? These are actually my first Clogposites I ever owned. Yeah, where you get these from? I'm just gonna say these two are my top two favorite colorways. These two are my top two favorite colorways. And then you go to the high top. Gotta have y'all blacks. I believe these came out last year. Gotta have y'all blacks. Yes, sir. Gotta have your blue. I had two pair of these too. Some of the other ones back, but maybe I should have kept them. I don't know. I didn't hit on these when they came out. A friend of mine hit on them, and he didn't want them. I think he changed. I think he regret selling me these, man. But yeah, he just told me just give him what he paid for them, and shoot, yeah, these are hard, man. Translucent bottom, metallic red, I believe. Fire. Now, I don't have the eggplant. I believe that's the purple ones. I wish I had those, but I have the LeBron 4 eggplant, and I'm done with LeBron 4s. I had a Fruity Pebble, and I had the black ones, but I think I gave them to my nephew. But the eggplant LeBron 4s, all the LeBron 4s hurt my damn feet. Ain't nothing like Foamposite, y'all. So, what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.